This is the story of Thor, a little clown with a tail who happens to love water just as much as we love him. He doesn't wait for sunny skies, a holiday, or a reason. The moment I say, "Thor, wanna go swimming?" he's off like a shot. His eyes light up, his body launches into motion, and it's like he's heard his soul calling him home. He squeals with joy, running full speed ahead, diving into what seems like a portal to another world, a world of ripples, splashes, and pure, unfiltered delight.
You want to race? Poop. Hold on.
If we let him, he'll swim for 20 minutes straight. No break, no slowing down, just back and forth with the same thrill every lap. He splashes, he plays, and with every jump, he seems to be calling out, "Look at me, splash back!" For Thor, the water isn't just a way to stay cool, it's his way of connecting. It's joy in motion, it's his love language, it's how he celebrates life.
Are you ready to get out? Are you ready?
When we first noticed how much he loved the water, we got him a small inflatable pool, just something simple until our next trip to the lake. But that little pool wasn't enough for long. Soon we got him a bigger one, then an even bigger one. And finally, last year, we got serious and bought a 15-foot pool. Thor went wild with happiness. He jumped in, splashed all around, swam with abandon. It was like he gave himself fully to the water body, heart, and soul. We used to take him to the lake, especially during summer when it can get up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit where we live. At first, he was cautious, stepping in slowly, just his paws getting wet. But one day, he slipped away from us and dove in head first. Everything changed in that moment. He fell head over heels for the water. From that day forward, he became a different Thor, still sweet and silly, but now, truly in his element, we started calling him the god of splashing, the king of fun.
Go, buddy. Good boy. Good job. What a good boy.
Then came winter, a hard one. It dropped to negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit, and the pool had to go. Thor wandered the yard, looked toward the corner where the pool used to be, and you could see the confusion and boredom in his eyes. It was tough to watch. He didn't understand why his favorite place had disappeared. So we asked ourselves, what if he could swim all year round? We called a contractor friend and asked, what would it take to turn our garage into a swim zone for Thor? He paused, probably thinking we were a little nuts. But this wasn't about use it was about doing something special for a creature we adore. Now our garage is insulated and warm. It has a heated floor, a pool, and soft mats so Thor doesn't slip. And every morning, without fail, when we open the door, he's right there, tail wagging, eyes bright, ready for his winter swim. The moment he jumps in, that same squeal of joy echoes again, just like the first time he discovered the lake.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go.
Thor is happiness in motion. He wakes up each day with excitement, with no hesitation. He doesn't hold back. He doesn't wait for the perfect moment. He lives fully in the present. And honestly, it's contagious. He's taught us that joy doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it's just water, sunlight, and the sound of a dog's laughter.
No wonder there's no water left in the pool, mister. Go so fast. 1, 2, go.
If one day swimming no longer brings him joy, we'll find something else that does. Because Thor has become our reminder that happiness is not something far off or hard to find. It's right here, in the little things, if you're willing to notice them and sometimes even make room for them by insulating your garage. There are moments we watch him swim and think, how could something so simple make life feel this full? But it does. It's changed our home. It's changed us. And it's shown us that when you love someone, really love them, doing something a little crazy for their happiness suddenly makes perfect sense. Because truly, what matters more than seeing your dog completely and utterly happy? If Thor's story brought a smile to your face, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, before you bring an exotic or unique pet into your life, always speak with experts and do your research. Every animal deserves a chance at a joyful, healthy life, just like Thor.
What's Thor? Huh? One. Sound like Donkey Kong, you. Let's go. Yeah.